fire is out. அடைஞ்சிச்சா? Yes or no? Okay, no. Check பண்ணி ஓபன் பண்ணாதான் தெரியும் நமக்கு. Check பண்ணலாமா? And while opening, open it from the opposite side. If you are opening from this side, நெருப்பு இருந்தா கூட என்ன ஆகும்? So open it from the opposite side. நெருப்பு இருக்கா? Okay, so இந்த மாதிரி டைம்ல backup க்கு plan வேணும். We have got fire extinguisher. Now we will use fire extinguisher. Okay, again cotton box ல ஒரு ட்ரை பண்ணலாமா? இன்னொரு cotton box எடுங்க. அப்படியே விட்டுருங்க. Cotton box. Make it fast. Petrol. பொறுமையா பண்ணுங்க. Again, same process. Cover it. One hand on the center. Use the other hand. Tap on each one. Okay. Open it from the opposite side. இப்போ அணைஞ்சிச்சா? எனக்கு எதுவும் கிளாப் கிடையாதா? Thank you. Okay. See, this is just an example. We call this as minimalism. இருக்கிறத வச்சு adjust பண்ணிக்கிறது. But real firefighting has to be done with fire extinguisher. ஒரு பண்ணி காமிச்சாரு, but still I'll show this. Watch me. This is the safest place. Safest distance. So this will be the position. Right leg at the base, left leg at the front. Left hand la hold the grip of the fire extinguisher. Aim at the base, source of the fire. Then open anti-clockwise. This way. And open பண்ணிட்டு aim at one corner, control the fire, then you have to sweep towards the other corner. So பண்ணீங்கன்னா firefighting can be done easily. So can I have volunteers from your side? Any volunteers? Volunteers? Yeah, please come. Come. Make it fast. யாரு? Aim at the base. Open it slowly. Perfect. Big round of applause, please. Thank you, Babuno. One female employee. One female. Yes, sir, please. Female employees. Female volunteers. Female employees. So, perfect, sir. Big round of applause, please. Thank you. Wait பண்ணுங்க. Open up. Thank you. Again, big round of applause. One more female employee. சண்டை போடாம. ஓகே, ரெண்டு பேரும் பண்ணலாம். No problem. Open. Close. Yes, ma'am. Last closer. Video. Open. Close. So this is how firefighting has to be done. And also one more thing. In our building, we have got a device called AED, Automated External Defibrillator. So if your device is அப்படின்னா even in case of cardiac arrest situation, life can be saved. This is called as a shock delivery device. Shock கொடுத்து கூட ஹார்ட் ரீஸ்டார்ட் பண்ற அளவுக்கு நம்ம பில்டிங்ல ஃபெசிலிட்டி இருக்கு. Can you give your management a big round of applause? Big round of applause. Okay, and now சின்ன ஃபயருக்கு தான் we can use all this fire extinguisher. If fire is at the third stage, fully developed stage, you have to go for hydrant system. And hydrant operate பண்றதுக்கு we have got our Tamil Nadu fire brigade team. So they will operate the hydrant system. Hydrant operation will be done there. இங்கே பார்க்காதீங்க, அங்க. At that side.